What is asylum? Asylum is a status granted to people considered refugees from their home countries to remain in the United States with permission to work and eventually become permanent residents and citizens. A refugee is someone who has been persecuted in the past or who has a well-founded fear of future persecution in their country on the basis of a protected ground. A protected ground can be race, religion, nationality, a political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Now, these concepts are not as simple as they sound. The persecution must be due to one of those 5 reasons. It cannot be just random crime or the fact that the country is dangerous as a whole. It must be directed at the person applying for asylum. The protected grounds are also not as simple as they sound. For instance, political opinion does not have to be something that was published in a newspaper or broadcast on TV, but it can't just be your inner thoughts that were never expressed to the outside world. It also could be what they call an imputed political opinion, meaning that the persecutor has attributed the opinion to you, even though that's not actually your opinion. Another example of where it can be confusing is religion. You saying that you're of a particular religion is not going to be enough evidence to a judge or an asylum officer to consider you a member of that religion. You're going to have to provide evidence. Satisfying all of these requirements to gain an approval of an asylum application requires a tremendous amount of evidence and documents to prove that you are a refugee. In theory, it's possible to gain an approval on just the applicant's testimony alone. But in reality, that rarely, if ever, happens. If you are applying for asylum or considering applying for asylum, give me a call so we can discuss what you need to do and how I can help you gain an approval.